Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the garden and in my shed there's about 1 million flies. So I've made a little fly bottle trap and I've got a solution in there, but that's rubbish. It's done nothing. So today I'm going to show you how I made my bottle trap and some solutions I'm going to try to find out what is the best solution for your fly bottle trap. So let me show you. So I've been collecting these bottles from the recycle bin. Some of them are a bit squashed, but we have to try and make do. So my first job is I'm just going to remove the lid and also remove the label. Don't need the label. So this is our bottle trap, and then we're going to cut so far down, maybe this rim here, be a nice rim, so we can cut all the way around it. So it doesn't have to be perfect, as it certainly isn't. And then we've got our two pieces, and then the first piece just fits inside the bottle, so the flies can go in the top and they can't go out. I've got some sellotape. I'm just going to sellotape the two bits together so they don't come apart, and that is our bottle trap. So that's the first one. I'm going to go through and do all the rest of these. So we've got our 6 bottles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to try 6 different methods using our fly trap bottles, and we've also got a 7th which is just full of water, just to say that the flies don't just go down any carton because it's just got substance in. So the water is just going to be plain water. So I've got a pot of substances here, so we're going to give this a go. So on my first one, number 1, we've got apple cider vinegar, and that is just going to go into number 1, and then we're just going to add a bit of dish soap into the pot. The classic substance, it smells like rotten fruit to the flies, and the dish soap removes the surface tension from the substance. So that is number 1, apple cider and vinegar. So number 2 we've got is sugar. So we can add some sugar and yeast. We've got yeast, 2 spoonfuls of sugar, 2 spoonfuls of yeast, and then some warm water. Give that a shake. So that's number 2. 2 spoonfuls sugar, 2 spoonfuls of yeast, and warm water. The yeast mixed with the warm water creates fermentation, which provides CO2, which the flies are highly attracted to. So, number 3 is our fruit. And the fruit we're going to use is a banana. We choose a rotten banana, so it'll break down quicker. Add the banana, just going to squeeze it a bit, add a bit of juice to it. So the banana will need just a little bit of time just to rot down. But that's number 3, and that's our banana. So number 4 is going to be a nice beer. So cheap beer. Yo. So while we'll enjoy the weather, we're going to use just a cheap beer in number 4. The flies will be attracted to the ethanol and the fermented byproducts. So number 4 was the cheap beer, and we're going to add some dish salt to the cheap beer just to break down the surface. So number 4, cheap beer. Number 5, this is going to be the fun one, and this is eggs. So we're taking 2 eggs, and the eggs are going to go into the pot. And this is the wild card. The eggs will need to rot down. The eggshells in the compost bin. And that is number 5. Just 2 eggs on their own. Going to give it a shake. They're going to rot down. That's going to make a lovely attraction for the flies. And number 6 is a real old-fashioned tradition, and it's quite unusual because it's milk and sugar and an ingredient you really won't think, black pepper. How's that going to work? So milk, sugar, black pepper. So we've got 6 different ingredients. 1. So number 1 is the apple cider vinegar and dish soap. Number 2 is sugar, yeast and warm water. Number 3 is the bananas. Number 4 is cheap beer with dish soap. Number 5 is eggs. Number 6 is the old-fashioned milk, sugar and black pepper. So let me know in the comments, which do you think will be the winner out of all these combinations? So I'm going to put them in my shed. We're going to leave them for maybe 2 days and see what the results are from all my mixtures. So let's put them in the shed and we'll see what happens. So here we go. So we've got them all in our shed now. We've got number 1, the apple cider vinegar with dish soap. Number 2, the brown sugar, yeast and warm water. Number 3 is the fruit, banana. Number 4 is the cheap beer. Number 5 is the eggs. Number 6 is the milk, sugar and black pepper. And then the bottle on its own is the water on its own, just to prove that it's just not a fake. So we're going to come back and we'll check out the results. So we are back in the shed and we've still got some flies buzzing around, and we've got 6 different mixtures with our fly catching liquid. So we're going to have a look through and see which was the benefit one. So this is number 1. Number 1 was apple cider with washing up liquid, and if we look here, there's not one fly in it at all, so that's not good. Number 2 was brown sugar, yeast and warm water, and if we can see in this one, there's quite a few flies in this one. Give it a swirl, you can see them going round, so that was quite a success. Number 2. Number 3 was my fruit, and that was a banana just mushed up. We can see it's gone very liquidy, not one fly in my banana mix, so that's not good. Number 4 was the cheap beer and dish soap. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, there's at least 3 in that pot. 1, 2, 3, and that is the beer with dish soap. So number 5 was eggs, and this really does hum, and this actually, you can't really see it, but there does actually be a lot of flies captured in this eggs. This is just 2 eggs. I don't know where we can really see whether there's any, but it does stink, really does stink, but I don't know if you can see. There's quite a few in there, there really is, there's quite a lot in there. And number 5, that was number 6, was milk, sugar and black pepper. This is just not worked at all, that's just, no, nothing at all, not one in there at all. And then number 7 was just to prove the theory was that they were just flying into a glass of water. This is just pure water, so there's nothing in this one whatsoever. So it's been 1 week now, and the flies have actually not so much in here now. They were loads, absolutely loads. So I'm looking at taking that one away. We're taking that one away. That one's got flies in, that one, and that one. So we're left with 3. So number 2 is the brown sugar and yeast. That's caught a few. Number 4, the cheap beer. That's got 3 or 4. But the absolute winner is this one, eggs, raw eggs. And there's absolutely loads. Absolutely loads. I really can't see if you can see that at all. Absolutely loads in there. So that is my winner. Eggs. Number 5. These have been here all week. 1 whole week. There's still flies buzzing around now. Coming in, having a look. But I think that is our clear winner, is eggs. Watered eggs. And that is a, look, there's flies even flying to it now. Look. As we speak. Look, Nearly, so close. So there we go. That's our winner, is our eggs. I'm sure we'll come back to it. So, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, notifications when I post some more. So I'm really, really pleased the egg is the winner. Cheers.